Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Netflix account. To log out of your Netflix account, first of all open up your web browser. In the URL box type in netflix.com and search. If you want to log out of your Netflix account, first of all go ahead and select your profile, enter your PIN, and then once you end up in the home page of Netflix, go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to the profile avatar. Click on Sign Out of Netflix and follow through the instructions. Soon after you do that, you will be redirected to the main official website for Netflix, which means you have successfully logged out of your account. So that is how you easily sign out or log out of Netflix in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.